Welcome back, quiz fans, to another exciting round of IQ Splash. Today's challenge is all about food. Can you figure out each tasty item using only emojis? We've lined up 20 fun-filled rounds, and you'll get 10 seconds to solve each one. Every correct answer earns a point. Be sure to subscribe for more fun challenges, and in 3, 2, 1, let's play. Let's start with an easy one. Can you guess the food? Great start. Potato chips is the answer. Do you know what food this is? You got it, corn dog. Which food do these emojis stand for? Cheese toast. Can you solve this food puzzle? That's right, cookie ice cream. What food are these emojis describe? The answer is chicken wings. Can you guess this food? You found it, pizza. These emojis reveal a tasty favorite. Can you name it? Cheese hot dog. Can you identify this one? Nice work, it's key lime pie. What do you think this food could be? Treat yourself to a point. It's a cupcake. These emojis are giving away some tasty hints. That's banana split. Well done. Let's see if you can recognize this yummy snack. Excellent. Fortune cookie. Any guesses for this emojis? You nailed it. Pork belly. Got a guess for this delicious item? It's apple pie. What's your answer? Absolutely, spaghetti. Do you know the name of this food? Correct, sushi. Here's your next challenge. A BLT sandwich. What food comes to mind? Well done, dumplings. Can you guess this food? Bacon cheeseburger. Great job. Can you uncover the food? The answer is mango shaved ice. Next round, what's your guess?